Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. I want to introduce you quick guys to our channel and what we do here guys. Every single car we get at the shop, at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. In some cases we even make more. For instance, on that BMW we made close to 500 videos guys. And why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can guys by providing these free videos. So all we need guys in return, subscribe to the channel. We're constantly putting new content. If you have any questions, any recommendations, anything, leave a comment below our videos guys, and when we have time we try to make these videos for you guys so we can save you even more money. Another thing I want to share about our channel, all the tools and parts that we use, we try to share the links in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get the parts and tools from guys for a really good price and usually quick shipping. That's where we get all our supplies from. So hopefully guys you will like our channel, subscribe, like the videos guys, and see you next time.